Welcome back. A bunch of stocks that will move on fundamental news, but the market's technicals are going to be very important. For 3 days in a row, we are lingering just a little above that 8,000 mark and not giving way. What happens today? Those are the questions that will dominate Mindspace. Sudarshan Sukhani is here to read out the charts to us as to what they are saying. Good morning, Sudarshan. Well, really an all-important question. We are, moving lower and lower, but not breaching 8,000. Do you think it's only a matter of time? And today could be that day.
Good morning, Latha. Well, a breach of 8,000 is likely to occur. I can't say whether it will happen today or 10 days later, but I think the trend is very clearly down. Pattern targets are much lower. We have discussed the possibility of even reaching 7,000. It doesn't have to come, but the very fact that it's there, visible, giving a target is worrying. So 8,000 is likely to give way. Now, markets do what they want. Whether it whether the Nifty bounces from here, creates a sense of hope, I can't say. The trade is to be on the short side of the market.
Yeah, that is evident. You are selling more than you are buying in your list of stocks. But before I go to the individual stocks, is there a short case in the Bank Nifty today?
There's a short case in the Bank Nifty also. It's for today, Latha, on a day-to-day basis, the markets are deeply oversold. We never know when a bounce can come. And the bounce, as I said, can also create a sense that, okay, 8,000 is holding and the worst is over. So on a day-to-day basis, traders should look at the opening price, the range, and the sense that the channels give them. But on a longer term, that means a few weeks, the Bank Nifty at current levels is a perfect sell.
Okay, so let me start off with individual stocks then, Sudarshan. First of all, good morning. You have a lot of sell calls on your list, but let's take a look at the buy calls first. The oil marketing companies have been bucking the trend quite well. You would buy BPCL today?
Oh yeah, I would buy BPCL. BPCL and HPCL have targets that are way beyond. You know, when Maruti was 1,500 and we used to talk about 2,500. And none of us, including me, imagined it will become 4,000 almost. These two stocks have similar targets. They're currently, for the short-term trader, with a small trading range that gives the impression of a flag that tells us that a significant up move may be coming.
All right, let me then finish the other buy stock also on your list, Power Grid.
Well, Power Grid had a correction, not a decline. That correction seems to be getting over. It's stronger, much stronger than the Nifty. It's a low volatility, low beta stock. That's a different issue. But at least it might make money if you make an investment here or even take a trade here. There's a small bullish head and shoulder that's broken on the upside. It's a slow-moving stock, but what's the harm? At least it won't. It's unlikely to lose anything.
Yeah, that's what. Is it more a preservation of capital kind of stock?
Yeah, that's a very nice term. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, let me come to your sells there and start with Bank of India. I mean, it's fallen enough. You expect it to fall even more?
It does. It's making lower lows, lower highs consistently. It's the worst performing PSU bank, I think. It's probably going to fall more.
Okay, let's talk about some of the other stocks. You know, yesterday a lot of the non-index heavyweights fell quite a bit. LIC Housing Finance was one of them. It's become technically weak, you think?
It's been technically weak for some time, and that continues. I mean, the charts are not giving us signs of an imminent base building, a sense that, okay, the worst may be getting over. Nothing of that sort is happening. It may, but not till now. And LIC Housing continues to be a short sell.
All right. And the other sell that you have on your list is HDIL. Well, a lot of the realty stocks are falling. Why? I mean, is this sell restricted to HDIL, or you would expand the list?
No, all the reality stocks are short-selling ideas. All of them which are in the FNO. HDIL is the last of them.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it's broken down below that 199 level, and it's suggesting a lower, say, downside target. But I must say something about HDIL. The very fact that it has broken out, went to 135, tells us that whenever a recovery comes in the market, HDIL should lead the pack of recovery in real estate. But that's for the future.
Okay, that's interesting. What about Amtech Auto? You have a sell on that one as well?
Yeah, very large distribution breaking down. Amtech Auto has been in a consistent downtrend. Then it stalled, but that stall is not working anymore.
Well, ambitious plans, and that's perhaps taking its toll on the stock. I think, Sudarshan, we've run through your list.
All right. Yes, we have.
Yes.
So we'll let you go. Thank you for those trading ideas. We'll see you again later on when the markets open. But let's do a quick recap of all the stocks that he has. He has a couple of buy calls today. So a buy on BPCL and on Power Grid. And he has a couple of sell calls as well. The sell is on Amtech Auto. As you can see all the stop losses and targets on your screen. Bank of India, HDI and LIC Housing Finance are a couple of stocks that he has a sell call on.